In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another account in Zoho Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to select, so you can view emails from another provider right inside your Zoho Mail inbox. This is perfect if you manage multiple addresses and want everything in one place without constantly switching tabs. Start by opening your browser and going to mail.zoho.com. Make sure you're in your Zoho Mail inbox so you can access the settings we need. If you're using the web app, the interface is consistent across most modern browsers, so what you see should closely match what I'm describing. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens your settings. If your window is small and you don't immediately see the gear, try maximizing the browser or checking for a settings label. It's the same control, just displayed differently on narrower screens. The gear is your gateway to all account and mailbox configuration options. Within Settings, scroll down until you find Mail Accounts, then click it. This section is dedicated to connecting and managing external email addresses. It's where Zoho keeps everything related to third-party inboxes you want to read or send from. Now, click the plus icon. This begins the add account process. You're not committing to anything yet by clicking plus. You're simply telling Zoho Mail you want to add another inbox so it can present the right options. You'll be asked to select the account type, typically POP3 or IMAP. Here's the key difference to help you choose confidently. IMAP keeps your mail synchronized across devices and clients. When you read, move, or delete a message in Zoho Mail, those changes reflect on the original server and on your other devices. This is the best choice for most people who want a live two-way connection. POP3, on the other hand, downloads messages from the server into Zoho Mail. Depending on how it's configured at the source, messages may be removed from the original mailbox after download. POP3 can be useful if your other provider has limited storage and you prefer to keep a local copy in Zoho, but it doesn't offer the same seamless syncing behavior. As you continue, Zoho will guide you through any remaining details specific to the account type you selected. A quick tip, have your other email provider's server settings handy, and be aware that some providers require enabling IMAP or POP in their own settings first. Once you've made your selection, you're on the right path to consolidating your inboxes and streamlining your email workflow.